Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can succeed trading manually in the Forex market. There are many strategies and rules when you trade in the Forex market, but it comes down to one simple rule that you need to do when you are trading the Forex market. So what is this rule? Well, it all comes down to you need to use stop loss. I will show you how I do it, but the rule is you should always use a stop loss, and I will show you why. So first, let's take a look at my strategy regards to risk to reward ratio. So when I do a trade, I always look to risk 1% loss and I aim for 3% profit. As you can see here, we have a risk to reward ratio on 3. So let's take a look on what that means in more details. So if I put a trade, I will do my entry here, and if the price comes here and it goes up, I get into the trade, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up to my take profit level. And when it hits my take profit level, I will make 3% in profit. So the other way around, when it goes against me, let's take a look at that. Okay, the same entry to my trade. The price comes here, goes down, it goes up, take me into the trade, but then it turns around. It goes down, it goes up, but then it goes to my stop loss. When it hits my stop loss, it means I lose 1% if it hits my stop loss. This is the risk to reward ratio 3-1. So if we take this in consideration and we take a look at 50 trades with this strategy, let's see what can happen then. Okay, so in this example, I have done 50 trades. You can see here, it's 50 trades. I have randomly took some win and some losses, win and loss. And if I start with an account with $100,000, 3% profit would be $3,000. But if I lose 1%, it means that I lose $1,000. So in this scenario, I have 28 losses and 22 wins. So I have more losses than wins. And even if I have more losses than wins, you can see after 50 trades, I made a profit of $38,000. That's amazing. So this is what you need to think about when you are trading manually. With this strategy, we can even lose more trades than I showed you first. So I've made some changes here. So in this case, we did 50 trades. We lose 32 of those 50 and only wins 18 of them. Still, after 50 trades, we have a profit of $22,000. So this is what you need to do when you're trading manually. Before I end this video, I want to give you a tip. If you are new to trading or you don't have time to trade by yourself, you should take a look at my EA, my robot that does this all automatically for you. So our robot have made 24.89% since we started in late January. And if you want to join this, check the link in the description and you can make some profits while you are learning trading manually, or you can combine them to make more profit. So we are looking to make up to 50%